teacher of senior KG class.
And I am Asmata Patel. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to each and every one of you. Today, the air is filled with excitement. The stage is set, and our hearts are beating in the rhythm with one name, Spandan, the heartbeat of our institution. Today's theme of our annual function is life, energy. We would now request everyone to stand up and join us to sing our national anthem and national pledge.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की
Now our students from nursery class will recite national pledge.
And the participants are Shri, Tashvi, Shreya, Satvik Nika.
Put your hand across your head. Start pledge. India is my country. I love my country and I am proud of it. Each and very heritage. I shall always try to be the field. I shall give my parents, teachers, and honor respect. I greet everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in the well and prosperity is my happiness. Jai Hind.
That was a beautiful recitation by a young singers. Thank you, parents. Now, I would like to invite on stage our Honorable Director, Sir, Mr. Manoj Patel, and Aarti Patel ma'am for Saraswati Pujan.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am. Our children have done a lot of hard work and practice for today's event. So before starting performances, I have few announcements. Please put your mobile phones on silent mode. Not take any photographs or videos. It will be provided to you by school. All the children will be handed over to the parents after the program except playgroup class. Please do not come to the backstage unless requested. Do not call your child's name while he or she is performing. Today's theme of our annual function, Spandan, means life, energy. Yes, Spandan is not just an event, it is a celebration of talent, creativity, and togetherness. It's the day when our dreams take the stage, our voice find melody, and our steps create magic. So let's start the performances. किसी भी शुभ कार्य की शुरुआत गणेश जी के पूजन से होती है. Ganesha is a symbol of knowledge, strength, wisdom, and creativity. So let us see the blessings of God, Lord Ganesha for the grand success of this event. Parents, put your hands together for our students performing Ganesh Vandana, our first performance of the day.
And the participants are Anvi Gore, Purva Vakmare, Kasturi Sonavne, Sanidhya Patil, Krishvi Vyas, Tanvi Bhosle, Sauravi Kerhalkar, and Raghavi Mundada.
What a great performance. Now they will recite Saraswati Mantra.
या कुंदेर तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रामृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभुदेवी देवे सदा वन्दिता सामान् पातु सरस्वती भगवती
Thank you, girls.
Now I will invite Swarup Acharya, Arpita, Akshat, Sharvari from nursery class on stage to recite Ganesh Stotra.
Om Ganeshaya Namaha.
नारदवाच प्रणम्य शिरसा देवं गौरीपुत्रं विनायकं भक्तावासु स्मरे नित्यम् आयुकामार्थसिद्धये प्रथमं वक्रतुण्डं च एकदन्तं
गजवक्त्रं लम्बोदरं पञ्चमं च षष्ठविक्रमेव च सप्तविघ्नराजेन्द्रं तथाष्टमं नवं बालचक्रं च शमस्तु नायकम् एकादशगणपति द्वादश गजानन दशिता त्रिसन्यं पठेन्न वयं तस्य सर्वसिद्धिकर प्रभु विद्याते पत्ते विद्य धनाते पत्ते धनम पुत्र पुत्र मोक्ष तिलवते गति जपे गणपति स्तोत्र षडभि वसे फलवते सावसे प्रसिद्धिं च लभते मात्र अष्टभ्य निभेच लिखित वायसं पय तस्य विद्याब हे सर्वा गणेशे प्रसादत इति श्रीनारदपुराणे संकटनाशन गणेश स्तोत्र संपूर्णम्.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was a beautiful recitation. Thank you everyone. Now Manas Patil from Junior KG class will recite Manache Shlok.
Friends, my name is Manas Vishal Patil. My school name is Dalora Preschool. I study in Junior KG class. श्री मनाचे श्लोक गणादी सजोई सर्वा गुणांचा मुडारंभ मतो निर्गुणांचा नमो शारदा ऊर्जत्वा रवाचा कमुप तानंतयारा गवाचा नासिके श्लोक मना सज्जना भक्तिपंते चिजावे तरीश्री हरिपा विजेतो स्वभावे जनी निंद्यते सर्वसोरु निद्यावे जनी वंद्यते सर्वभावे करावे नाथी श्लोक प्रभाते मणिराम चिंती तदावा पुरे वैखरी राम आदि वदावा सदाचा रहा थूर सांडू नियेतो जनी तो चितो मानवी धन्य होतो. नवो श्लोक मना वासना रुष्ट कामा न येरे मना सर्वदा पाप बुद्धि न कोरे मना सर्वदा नीति सोरु न कोहो मना अंतसार विचार राहो. फासलो मना पाप संकल्प सोडू नित्यावा मना सत्य संकल्प जीवी धरावा मना कल्पना ते नको विषयांची विकारे करे हो जनी सर्व चिची नाशी श्लोक नको रे मना क्रोध हाके दकारी नको रे मना विकारी नको रे मना सर्वदा अंगीकारू नको रे मना मत्सरूद बभारू नाशे श्लोक मनाश्रय इष्टदारी इष्टजीवी डरावे मना बोलण्यानी शोषित जावे स्वय सर्वदा नम्र वाचे वदावे सर्व लोकांसी निववावे नाव ए श्लोक देहेत्या गीता कीर्ती मागे उरावी मना सज्जना हेची क्रिया करावी मना चंदनाचे परित्वादी जावे परी आंतरी सज्जनाने पवावे नवनाय श्लोक नको रे मना द्रव्य ते लीलांचे अतिस्वार्थ बुद्धी नरे पाप साचे गळे भोगणे पाप ते कर्म खोटे न होता मना सारी दुःख मोठे नाटे श्लोक सदा सर्वदा प्रीतिरामी धरावी सुखाची स्वय संजीवी करावी देहे दुःख ते सुख मानी तजावी विवेक सदा स्वस्वरूपी भरावे नाव 11 श्लोक जनी सर्व सुखी आशा को न आहे विचारे मन तुझी निपाहे मनात वांचिरे पूर्वसंचित केले तया सारिखे मने प्राप्त झाले 9 श्लोक मना मानसी दुःख आणू नको रे मना सर्वदा शोक चिंता नको रे विवेके देहे बुद्धी सोडून द्यावी विदेहीपणे मुक्तिभोगी तजावी 30 श्लोक मना सांग पारा मना काय झाले अकस्मात अज सर्वे बुडाले मनुनी कुडीवा सरासांडी वेगी बरे लागला का हा पाठी लागी ना 40 श्लोक जीवा कर्मयोगे जनी जन्म झाला परीशे वोटी कारमुखी हिमाला मना थोरते मृत्यूपंथेची गेले किती एकते जन्मले आणि मेले ना 50 श्लोक मना पाहता सत्य हे मृत्युभूमी जिता बोलती सर्व ही जीवमिमी चिरंजीव हे सर्व ही मानिताती स्मार्ट सानुन्य सर्व जाती थँक्यू
Thank you, Manas. That was beautiful recitation. Purva Wagmare from senior KG class will recite Bhagavad Gita, chapter 6 shlokas.
Good evening everyone. My name is Purva Vinod Wagmare. I study in senior KG class. Today I am presenting Bhagavad Gita Adhyay 6. श्रीमद् भगवत गीता ओम हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम ओम श्री कृष्ण परमात्मने नमः श्रीमद् भगवत गीता अथ षष्ठोऽध्यायः आत्मसंयमयोगः श्रीभगवानुवाच अनाश्रित कर्मफलं कार्यं कर्म करोति यः स सन्न्यासी च योगी च न निरग्निर्न चाक्रियः यं सन्न्यासमिति प्राहुः आरुरुक्षोर्मुनेरयोगं कर्मकारणमुच्यते सर्वसंकल्पसन्न्यासी योगारूढस्तदोच्यते. Thank you.
Thank you, Purva. That was beautiful recitation.
And now let the celebration begin. Our first performance is a vibrant dance that will set the tone for the evening. A burst of colors, energy, and joy. Parents, sit tight and hold your breath. Let us welcome our children from nursery class batch 1 on stage.
And the participants are Shreya, Swarnil, Arpita, Akshat, Sharvari, Swarup, Arvi, Harshit, Rinaya, Devansh Bhavkar, Sanvi, Satvik Nikam, Avira Samyak. First, I will call Arpita Thorat from nursery class to say about their performance.
Good evening everyone. My name is Arpita Ranjit Thorat. My school name is Devar School. I am studying in nursery class. I am a girl. आपकी दिल की धड़कन बढ़ाने रे कि जिसको दीवारे enjoy everyone. Thank you.
tonight. Something about the way you move that thing. Something about the way you look at that thing. Yeah, there's something about tonight. Something very special.
What a splendid performance. Parents, did you like it or not? Say loudly. Now parents, hold on tight as I'm inviting rising stars from playgroup class to set the stage on fire with their vibrant performance.
And the participants are Tanish Khambatkar, Shivansh Deshmukh, Prutha Shinde, Anaya Zatale, Krishna Thakur, Shivanya Padwal, Kishika Kale, Yakshit Bagul, Harshdeep Bhosle, and Manvi Amrutkar. Now, I will call Tanish and Shivansh from playgroup class to say about their performance.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Shiva Shile Desmok. I study playgroup class. My name is Tanish Ketan Khambatkar. I'm a boy. My school name is Tanish Ketan Khambatkar. Dynamo Preschool.
अपनी
बातों में कुछ जाने और जादू जलाने आ रहे हैं अमर वाले। थैंक यू।
गले लग जा ख्वाब बना के तुझे दिल में छुपा के रखूं मेरे पास आ तो मुलाकातों में काली रातों में बातों ही बातों में दिल दे दिया तेरी बातों में खा दिया बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया तेरी बातों में बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया। गले लग जा ख्वाब बना के तुझे दिल में छुपा के रखूं मेरे पास आ तो मुलाकातों में काली रातों में बातों ही बातों में दिल दे दिया तेरी बातों में खा दिया बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया तेरी बातों में खा दिया बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया।
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा वाले चले रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
मन कहे कि मैं आऊं चांद और तारे सारे इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं इस मांग में भर दूं तारे।
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई
हेलो हेलो तू मुझे तुमने लगाई येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई
छन छन बोले हमने सारी चूड़ियां
amazing performance. Now, I would like to call our superstars from nursery batch 2.
And the participants are Anaira Chaudhary, Rajvi Thorat, Riva Kalmek, Tashvi Singh, Sharvi Nagre, Path Suryanshi, Devansh Bansode, Rishant Chaudhary, Srijit Waghere, Shriram Deshmukh, Shaurya Sinare, Viraj Bhagwat, Swaransh Derange. Now, I will call Sharvi from nursery class to say about their performance.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sharvi Sapnin Nagarare. I study in nursery class. आपकी शाम को मस्तानी करने आ रहे हैं नन्हे से तारे. Thank you.
Let me hear you shout. Aate boogie boogie roll, aate boogie boogie roll, aate boogie boogie roll, aate boogie boogie roll. जब सा निकल गया हूँ प्यार हमारे विच बिखर गया. जब सा निकल गया हूँ प्यार हमारे विच बिखर गया हूँ. आते बoogie boogie roll, आते boogie boogie roll. जब सा निकल गया हूँ प्यार हमारे विच बिखर गया. जब सा निकल गया हूँ प्यार हमारे विच बिखर गया. दिल तेरा हो जाए अमरा न खुल जाए मार उड़ाई दे कुछ गिर गया हूँ. मर जाए मर जा राम मेरे हुन मर जाए मर जा राम मेरे हुन मर जाए मर जा राम मेरे हुन मर जाए मर जा मर जाए मर जा राम मेरे हुन मर जाए मर जा राम मेरे हुन मर जाए मर जा राम मेरे हुन मर जाए मर जा. गली 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 माही मेरा शरबत वर्गा माही तेनू गंढ गंढ पीला माही मेरा दिल मैनू कही जाए खुल के पीला माही मेरा शरबत वर्गा माही तेनू गंढ गंढ पीला माही मेरा दिल मैनू कही जाए खुल के पीला. विछड़े हाथ से माही मेरे आसे पासे माही मेरे हाथ पीड़ रंग होए दिल सब रंग होए दिल मोई संग होए जिगर गया हुन मर जाए मर जा बड़ी हुन मर जाए मर जा हुन 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 मर जाए मर जा बड़ी हुन मर जाए मर जा मर जाए मर जा हम मेरे हुन मर जाए मर जा मेरे हुन मर जाए मर जा बड़ी हुन मर जाए मर जा. गली गली गली
देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी. धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी. देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी. धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी. दिल पर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं. आज जमीन पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं. अकलो होश नमी जानम हम हैं दिल है और जानम. दीवानगी 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 है ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर. बस दीवानगी 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 है. All hard girls put your hands up and say oh Shanti all cool boys come on make some noise and say oh Shanti.
So, parents, give them a huge, big round of applause. What a great performance. Now, please welcome our beautiful junior and senior KG girls. So, parents, please welcome them with a huge round of applause. Now, I would like to call Sauravi and Kasturi to say about their performance.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sauravi Kiran Kedarkar. I am from senior KG class. Good day everyone, my name is Kasturi Shatrunjay Sonone from senior KG class. चांद की बालियां पहन के चूड़ियाँ खनखाते ख्वाबों की शहजादियाँ, सबके दिल पे छाने आ रही हमारी हवा हवाया।
Wow, what a wonderful performance. Now, hold your breath. दिल में जोश भरते हुए आ रहे हैं हमारे जूनियर और सीनियर केजी के बॉयज. So parents, please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
And the participants are यश जाधव, सर्वात कदम, अन्वित पवार, रिदान भावसार, पार्थ चौमुले, मानस पाटील, श्रीका अल्वे, Advait Pawar, Prabhas Patil, and Neerav Bhambre. Now, I will call to Sarvat and Advait to say about their performance.
I'm from junior KG class. Good evening everyone. My name is Advait Aniket Pawar. I'm from junior KG class. Today is a heartbeat. आ रहा है हमारे disco dancer.
दुनिया में और कोई
Wow, what a performance. Now we will have award and certificate distribution. I request Honorable Director Sir to award our students.
Shloka chanting competition. Playgroup class, first prize, Tanish Khambatkar. I want to request parent of Tanish Khambatkar on stage. Please come on stage. Please.
The second prize is won by Shivansh Deshmukh. Parents of Shivansh Deshmukh, please come on stage.
Now nursery class. First prize Arpita Thorat and Swarup Acharya. Now I request parent of Arpita Thorat and Swarup Acharya, please come on stage.
The second prize is won by Akshat Palve. Parents of Akshat Palve, please come on stage.
Third prize Srijit Padamwar and Sharvari Nathe. I request parent of Srijit Padma and Sharvari Nathe on stage.
Junior KG class. First prize is won by Shri Kalve. Parents of Shri Kalve, please come on stage.
Okay, now second prize won by Krishvi Vyas. Now I request parent of Krishvi Vyas, please come on stage.
The third prize is won by Manas Patil. Parents of Manas Patil, please come on stage. Senior KG class. First prize is won by Purva Wagmare. Parents of Purva Wagmare, please come on stage. The second prize is won by Neerav Bhamre. Parents of Neerav Bhamre, please come on stage. Won by Sanidhya Patil. Parents of Sanidhya, please come on stage. Hindi poem recitation competition. Nursery class. The first prize is won by Swarup Acharya. Parents of Swarup Acharya, please come on stage. Won by Tashvi Singh. Parents of Tashvi Singh, please come on stage. The third prize is won by Akshat Palve. Parents of Akshat Palve, please come on stage. Junior KG class. First prize is won by Advi Mane. She is not here. Second prize is won by Krishvi Vyas. Parents of Krishvi Vyas, please come on stage. Third prize is won by Sarvarth Kadam. Parents of Sarvarth Kadam, please come on stage. Senior KG class. First prize is won by Purva Wagmare. Parents of Purva Wagmare, please come on stage. Second prize is won by Sanidhya Patil. Parents of Sanidhya Patil, please come on stage. The third prize is won by Anvi Gore. Parents of Anvi Gore, please come on stage. Speech competition. Senior KG class. First prize is won by Anvi Gore. The second prize is won by Neerav Bhamre and Purva Wagmare. Parents of Neerav Bhamre and Purva Wagmare, please come on stage. The second prize is won by Shri Kalve. Parents of Shri Kalve, please come on stage. Won by Krishvi Vyas. Parents of Krishvi Vyas, please come on stage. Fancy dress competition, Senior KG class. First prize is won by Purva Wagmare. The second prize is won by Sanidhya Patil, and the third prize is won by Anvi Gore. Junior KG class. First prize is won by Advi Mane, but she is not here. The second prize is won by Raghavi Mundada, and third prize is won by Manas Patil. Nursery class. First prize is won by R.V. Renusi, and the second prize is won by Sanvi Sable, and the third prize is won by Swaransh Darangi. Playgroup class. First prize is won by Tanish Khambatkar. The second prize is won by Shivansh Deshmukh, and the third prize is won by Anaya Zatle. Parents, please come on stage. Thank you, sir, for awarding our students. Now, I request Director Sir to sit in the auditorium and enjoy the program. Thank you, sir. Now, moving to the next segment of the program. Now, we will have graduation ceremony for Senior KG children. So, parents, please welcome our Senior KG students on stage with a loud applause. Now, I request and invite our Honorable Principal, Mistress Aarti Ma'am, to honor Senior KG students. So, let's welcome enthusiastic Anvi, cheerful Kasturi, creative Neeraj, curious Purva, energetic Prabhat, diligent Sanidhya, Honor Samyukta. Joyful Tanvi. Thank you, ma'am, for honoring our trust. Now, Miss KG class teacher Miss Mohini ma'am wants to share a few words.
Good evening, everyone, and respected dignitaries. Kindergarten education marks a significant moment in preschooler's life, as it is a great opportunity to celebrate learning and commemorate the first of many important milestones. Today is their day to shine and show the ones they love all they have accomplished throughout the year. Making the leap from being preschooler to a kindergarten was a big enough, and now all their hard work's paid off. For the parents, it's time to show their children the value of education through positive reinforcement and support. I would like to thank our principal, Aarti ma'am, for believing me and making me their mentor. Parents, thank you for your great support. Dear children, promise me that you will remember you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Congratulations, my bright senior KG student. All the best with tons of love and blessing. Thank you, everyone.
Now, our senior KG students want to say thank you to their parents, grandparents, and teachers.
It is my great honor to introduce to you today our graduating class. As they turn the page to the next chapter of their lives, they'd like to say something very special to you. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Two little words, two little words, two little words, not goodbye. It's the end of the year, graduation is here. Our two little words to our teachers, moms, dads, grandparents, and all. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. You taught us to read and write. You taught us to learn. You told us it'd be alright and how to take our turn. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. You helped us to tie our shoes, learn shapes and colors too. There's so many things you do. We just wanna say thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done.
Thank you, children. Moving to the next segment, now our budding dancers from junior KG class want to celebrate their best day of life and give a special message through their performance. Parents, welcome them with a huge round of applause. Now, I will call Krishvi and Shri from junior KG class to say about their performance.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Krishvi Vyas. Good evening, everyone. My name is Sri Sachin Kali. Today is a special day because we are here to show you how happy we feel. And we love dance and play with our friends. Every day becomes the best day of my life. So clap your hands, stamp your feet, and enjoy our dance. Thank you.
Now, our champions from senior KG class want to give a special message. Now, I will call Anvi and Purva from senior KG class to say about their performance.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Purva Wagmare.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Anvi Vaibhav Gore. Purva, do you know our Indian women cricket team is a champion now?
Yes, Anvi, but what makes us champion?
Champion is a person who works hard and never give up. Anyone can be a champion by believing themselves, working hard and doing the right thing.
अच्छा,
तो चलो शेर की चाल चलने वाले, अपने बाहों में दम रखने वाले हमारे सीनियर केजी के चैंपियन से मिलने।
आंधियां लिए खून तेरा उबल रहा। ये समानों में शोर है, तेरे हाथों में जोर है, इम्तिहानों की नोक पे हौसलों से संभल रहा। फसाना तेरा मुट्ठी में है, ये जमाना तेरा लिखे या तू एक फसाना तेरा। रोशनी ढूंढे तेरे घर का पता, चांद होना चाहे सिरहाना तेरा। कह रहे रास्ते कभी ना सफर ये हो खत्म, बस तेरे वास्ते ये दिन तू आगे चल रहा, हाथ में आंधियां लिए खून तेरा उबल रहा। ये समानों में शोर है, तेरे हाथों में जोर है, इम्तिहानों की नोक पे हौसलों से संभल रहा।
What an amazing performance. Thank you, students. Now, our budding dancers from nursery and playgroup class want to say something through the dance performance. Parents, please give them a huge round of applause. Now, I will call Sanvi, Sharvari, and Arvi from nursery class to say about their performance.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Arve Vinayak Renuse. I study in nursery class. Good evening, everyone. My name is Sanvi Rajendra Sable. My school name is Danoland Bliss School. Good evening, everyone. My name is Sharvari Village Nate. I study in nursery class. सुबह सुबह अलार्म बजता है, लेकिन बच्चों का मन सोने में लगता है। कोई कहता है मम्मा 5 मिनट, कोई कहता है स्कूल मत भेजो प्लीज, लेकिन फिर मम्मा समझाती है बच्चों स्कूल से सपने पूरे होते हैं। फिर बच्चे उठते हैं, मुस्कुराते हैं और खुशी खुशी स्कूल चला जाते हैं। थैंक यू।
सुबह ये उठा देते हैं, मुझको फिर नहला देते हैं, पहना के यूनिफॉर्म ये जल्दी ब्रेकफास्ट करवा देते हैं। बात सुनो आज घर से बाहर पैर नहीं पाना मैं, आज जो भी हो जाए मम्मा स्कूल नहीं जाना मैं, आज जो भी हो जाए मम्मा स्कूल नहीं जाना मैं, हाँ स्कूल नहीं जाना जाओ तो टीचर भी डांट लगाती है, खेलने भी ना देती है, बेटे पढ़ ले चिल्लाती है, होमवर्क न करके जाओ तो टीचर भी डांट लगाती है। बात सुनो मेरी सारे बुक्स को हाथ मिला मैं, अब जो भी हो जाए मम्मा स्कूल नहीं जाना मैं, अब जो भी हो जाए मम्मा स्कूल नहीं जाना मैं, हाँ हाँ स्कूल नहीं जाना मैं। सिचुएशन पहले स्कूल जाओ फिर ट्यूशन, संडे भी सांस ना लेने दे, हाय जान पे इतनी टेंशन, बेटे पढ़ लिख कर जाएगा बड़ा आदमी बन जाएगा, माँ बाप का नाम तो रोशन वीन रांझे कर जाएगा, पापा आपकी बातों में फिर से नहीं आया मैं, अब जो भी हो जाए पापा स्कूल नहीं जाना मैं, अब जो भी हो जाए पापा स्कूल नहीं जाना मैं, हाँ हाँ स्कूल नहीं जाना मैं।
What a great performance. Thank you, students. Teachers' felicitation. Now I request our director sir to come on stage and felicitate our teachers who work so hard to make this event successful and to help in educating our children. I'm so grateful for the countless hours you put in, both inside and outside of the classroom, to ensure that our students are receiving the best education possible. The Best Teacher Award is given to Vaishali teacher and Varsha teacher. I request Vaishali teacher to please come on stage. I request Varsha teacher to please come on stage. I request Mohini teacher to please come on stage. I request Kanchan teacher to please come on stage. And now I request Karthiki teacher to please come on stage. Now I request Aarti Maushi, Sonu Maushi to come on stage. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to call on stage our principal ma'am to felicitate our choreographer who worked so hard for last 1 month to teach our children. Mr. Sapna Bhavka, please come on stage. Thank you, ma'am. Our teachers have been working so hard to make this event so successful, and now it's time for a little enjoyment for them. Parents, please welcome with a huge round of applause our teachers performing dance. ones. Thank you, teachers. Parents, please welcome our gorgeous, super talented mothers who want to set the stage on fire and take you on a magical ride.
नौजवानों, बात मानो, कभी किसी से न प्यार करना। नौजवानों, बात मानो, कभी किसी से न प्यार करना।
Run the track and nobody look back. Run the track and
run the track, and nobody look back. Them say, run the track, hey, run the track and nobody look back.
Some run it, let's set somebody on. Some run it,
Run the track and nobody look back. Them say,
some hold it back, let's go the Tony man. Some muddy चलो जी लक लच मारो चलो जी मौज मना लो चलो जी नच लगा लो पकड़ किसी की
run the track and nobody look back. Them say, run the track, hey, run the track and nobody look back. Run the track and nobody look back. Them say, run the track, hey, run the track and nobody look back.
दुनिया चले फिर भी चले बल्ले हो गई हाँ हो गई खुशी में तुम की गिरती हवा में गिरती वो बात हो गई हाँ हो गई रोने मोने छोड़ो दुख लाते मोने देखो देखो दिन सोने मोने यही लाइफ की जीत
What a wonderful performance. Thank you, mothers. Moving to the end of the program, I request parents if anyone wants to share their thoughts about the school or today's program.
Anvi Gore's parent.
Hello. Good evening, teachers and parents and champions over here. I'm very happy and proud to be a parent of Dinoland preschool child. So when I remember when Anvi started the schooling, she was very shy, and now Dinoland has molded them, or all the superstars, into very confident, very curious superstars, or we can say champions as well. Yeah. So this school is not just a preschool for us. This school has laid the foundation of learning journey very strong. So I'm pretty sure that every parent will be feeling like our future or our children's future was in very great and capable hands. So I am really thankful of each and every staff from Dinoland that they have made our childs, I am pretty sure they'll be growing and they'll be rocking in their future. So very thank and all the best for all the students as well, childs in their future. Thank you.
Tashvi Singh's parent.
Good evening, respected principal, teachers, staff, and fellow parents. It's an honor to stand here and celebrate Dinoland's annual school function. I am more excited because it is my little one's Tashvi's first annual function. Seeing our little ones on stage gives me immense pride. The dedication of the teachers in transforming our nervous children into confident performers is truly commendable. A huge thank you to the management and the teachers for creating such a nurturing, fun, and educational environment. Your patience, love, and hard work have helped our little ones take little big steps towards their educational journey. Watching them today makes us as parents feel immensely proud, and I'm blessed to be part of this school's family. We look forward to many years of nurturing our children together. Congratulations to all the teachers and the children who has made this event a grand success. Thank you.
Swarnil's parent.
Hi, good evening everyone, respected teachers, parents and children's. As a parent, I would like to sincerely thanks to school and the teachers for their love, care, and the management hard work put in for this annual day. My child was actually nervous today while coming to annual day. So I was like, he will not be putting any efforts while performing. But I was happy actually that he performed very well. And so I was laughing actually looking at his performance that he performed very well today. And organizing such a beautiful program for such a small children and putting so much efforts, keeping patience was the key. I saw teachers has put in so many patience, and I could not explain in the words. So I can, and these activities will help build performance to perform on the stage for the children at this young age. So. Thank you, teachers, principal ma'am, for putting teachers' efforts on this. Thank you.
Sriram's parent.
Evening, everyone. Today is a very special day for all of us as our children are performing on the stage for the first time. The little hands we once hold so tightly are now growing with courage, confidence, and passion to dance and express themselves. Seeing them on stage fills our hearts with pride and joy. The beautiful moment is possible because of the dedicated efforts of the Dinoland preschool team. Thank you for organizing such a wonderful program and for giving our child a platform to shine. Dinoland is not just about today's event. Throughout the year, the school conduct many activities that help our children build confidence, creativity, and strong foundation for the successful future. On the behalf of parents, I sincerely thank the entire Dinoland team for your love, care, and hard work. You are truly shaping the bright future for our children. Thank you and have a wonderful event. Thank you.
Would like to call Purva's parents.
सगळ्यांना नमस्कार. म्हणजे आजचा प्रोग्राम हा एकदम मेमोरेबलच आहे आमच्यासाठी, कारण की आमचा हा शेवटचा प्रोग्राम आहे. गेल्या 3 वर्षापासून आम्ही ह्या स्टेजवर प्रोग्राम पाहतोय आणि प्रत्येक वर्षी असा अनुभव आला आहे की प्रत्येक प्रोग्राम अजूनच अधिकाधिक सुंदर वाटतोय. आता आम्ही पुढच्या वर्षी हा प्रोग्राम मिस करू ह्याचं खरंच खूप वाईट वाटतंय. सगळ्यात आधी तर थँक्स आरती पाटील मॅम, सर पाटील सर आणि त्यांच्या सगळ्या टीचर्स. आपल्या मुलांची सुरुवात आपल्या घरातून तर होतेच, पण जेव्हा 3 वर्षानंतर मुलं स्कूलमध्ये जातात तर त्यांचा पाया तिथेच तयार होतो. आणि प्रीस्कूल ही असं एक ठिकाण आहे की तिथेच मुलांचा पाया घडतो. आजची ही मुलांची ग्रॅज्युएशन सेरेमनी म्हणजे असं वाटत होतं की खरंच आपली मुलं खूप मोठी झाली आहेत. कारण की जेव्हा मुलं आपण नर्सरीमध्ये जातात तर असं त्यांचं ते सुरुवात असते आणि जसं जसं आपण एक एक ॲक्टिव्हिटीज त्यांच्या पाहतो, जसं की आता माझ्या मुलीचा मी नर्सरीचा व्हिडिओ अजूनही पाहते, त्यावेळेसचे तिचं ते बोलणं आणि आत्ता सिनियर KGमध्ये तिचे जे काय उच्चार किंवा तिचं जे नॉलेज आहे त्याच्यामध्ये झालेली इम्प्रूव्हमेंट पाहिल्यानंतर असं वाटतं की आपल्यापेक्षा जास्त एफर्ट्स स्कूलमधल्या लोकांनी आपल्या मुलांसाठी घेतले. त्याच्यासाठी पूर्ण स्कूलचा आधी मला खूप धन्यवाद द्यावे वाटत आहेत की त्यांच्यामुळं आमची मुलं एवढी घडत आहेत. आणि ह्या स्कूलचं तर आम्ही नाव ऐकलेलंच आहे. अशीच उत्तरोत्तर प्रगती डायनोलँडची होत जावी. सगळे टीचर्स असेच अजून सगळ्यांना खूप मुलांना घडवत राहोत अशीच ईश्वरचरणी प्रार्थना करते मी. आणि मला इथे 2 शब्द बोलण्याची संधी दिल्याबद्दल आयोजकांचे धन्यवाद. थँक्यू.
Thank you. I would love.
Hello everyone. Myself Shailesh Deshmukh. I am father of Shivansh. So first of all, thank you so much Dinoland team for making this event such a wonderful event. And everybody talked about the school, kids, their growth. घर पे जब हम लोग एक बच्चा 2 बच्चे संभालते हैं तो अपने को पता है कि क्या सबकी लगती है. But yes, we really appreciate all the teachers, all the staff कि at a time they manage and they handle all these kids. So once again, thank you so much team for growing all our rock stars. So you guys are also, you are stars, and then you are having you are creating all these childs as a rock stars for us. And I would like to talk about the performances from teachers and all the moms. Excellent. I really enjoyed it. Thank you guys.
Like to call Director Sir.
Hello. So first of all, I am also Dinoland parent. You'll see this girl. She was 2.5 when we started Dinoland. Now she is taller than me, so she is almost 14, and she is coordinating today's event. So today, when I see the change after almost 11 years, I see better coordination. I see better control. Also, I see the parents which are more involved with each and every child. I like the shloka. I think Manas did that one. Every student, what I saw today on the stage, their confidence, which was not there earlier when we started. So the process is also we learn every year. We learn with our mistake, and we started to improve ourselves. So I want to thank you all for sitting here, enjoying your performance. Before I conclude this event, I would like to call upon Aarti ma'am, and this is going to be the first time husband is going to thank to the wife. Okay, so I'm going to call upon Aarti ma'am to come on stage. Thank you. So first of all, on the stage, I would like to thank all the parents who are patiently watching the show. Also allow us to perform very quietly. One observation is no one come forward to take a picture and record the videos. So you believe in us that we are going to give you the videos. So that's the belief I see in you from Dinoland. From the teacher, all the teacher who did a lot of hard work every year on year, so they are doing it, and that's what we see the quality in Dinoland. Also our Maushi Bais, they keep the children clean, they maintain our facility very hygiene, and also take care of the kids whenever at the time of food or at the time of anything happen, an accident happen in the school, so they take care of that. I'd like to thank our choreographer ma'am. She also put a lot of efforts to each and every dance. And also on the stage, I would like to thank Asmita. She took a chance today and stood there for the coordination. I also want to thank our staff, the light, our sir who is operating the light very nicely, and all the lights he is mixing, and also the man who is digitally involved here. Also, he's right now busy with phone. So I would like to thank him that because he took a lot of efforts to mix and match the videos in between. So thank you all. Is there any performance?
Now, I would like to invite all the staff members, teachers, and Maushis on stage for a group photo. Now, it's time for finale dance.
देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी। देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी। दिल पर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं, आज ज़मीं पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं। अगलो होश नमी दानम, हम हैं दिल है और जानम, बस दीवानगी 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 है। ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर, ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर, बस दीवानगी 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 है। All the hot girls put your hands up and say Om Shanti Om. All the cool boys come on make some noise and say रेशम रेशम,
सांस खुली है मथम मथम,
ये तो इशारे हैं। अकलो होश नमी दानम, हम है दिल है और जानम, बस दीवानगी 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 है। ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर, ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर, ओ बस दीवानगी 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 है। All the hot girls put your hands up and say, Om Shanti Om.
All the cool boys, come on, make some noise and say Om Shanti
All the hot girls put your hands up and say, Om Shanti Om.
All the cool boys, come on, make some noise and say Om Shanti Om.
कहने को वैसे तो सारा सुकून है, फिर भी ये दिल है कि इसको जुनून है। कहने को वैसे तो सारा सुकून है, फिर भी ये दिल है कि इसको जुनून है।
पलकों पलकों ख्वाब सजा दे, इसको उसको सबको बता दे।
राज जो सारे हैं, अगलो होश नमी दानम, हम है दिल है और जानम, बस दीवानगी 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 है। ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर, ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर, ओ बस दीवानगी 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 है। All the hot girls put your hands up and say, Om Shanti Om.
All the cool boys, come on, make some noise and say Om Shanti Om.
All the hot girls put your hands up and say, Om Shanti Om.
All the cool boys, come on, make some noise and say Om Shanti Om.
Was this a wonderful performance? Yes or no? Once again, thanks to all of you. Take care. Good night.